Become Rich Wealthy 101. Hello, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching. Today we will be discussing how to start a title company. If you're looking into doing real estate, it is essential and of utmost importance that you have a title company. This is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to start a title company. It can help in the sale and transfer of ownership of a house, building, or property. It can also help you to manage escrow accounts for mortgage holders. So, let's decipher whether or not starting your own title company will be the right fit for you. You can start a title company by following these 10 steps. Step number one, plan your title company. Two, form your title company into a legal entity. Three, register your title company for taxes. Four, open a business bank account and credit card. Five, set up accounting for your title company. Six, get the necessary permits and licenses for your title company. Seven, get title company insurance. Eight, define your title company brand. Nine, create your title company website. And 10, set up your business phone system. This guide that I'm providing to you will help you start up uh, your own, it will help you to start up your own title company for completing real estate transaction deals. Step one, which is to plan your business, I will go ahead and further expand and give you some more information. Whenever you're planning your business, it is imperative that you have a clear plan that is essential for success as an independent business owner. It will help you to map out the specifics of your business as well as to discover some unknowns. There are a few important topics to consider when you are planning your own title company business. One of the questions that you will need to ask yourself are, what are the startup and ongoing costs? Who is your target market? How much can you charge customers? And what will you name your business? All of these are of utmost importance, are extremely critical, and these things will basically help you when planning your business. You need to be able to consider the costs that will be involved in opening a title company. Opening a title company primarily involves the cost of licenses and certifications that you will need to operate as a title agent. Make sure you're familiar with all the legal ramifications for operating a title company in your state and consider hiring a lawyer to help you ease the paperwork burden. You will need to also form a limited liability company, LLC, and register your company. Other essential startup costs include licensing exams, board certifications, securing company bonding, as well as renting an office space. Once you are licensed, bonded, and insured, you may start operating. Some might be asking, what are some of the ongoing expenses for a title company? This is a good question, and I am going to go ahead and answer that question for you. Title companies typically have low overhead costs and expenses. Office supplies, and employee salaries represent the majority of the ongoing expenses, along with utilities and mortgage or rent. Some might be wondering, who is the target market? Title companies typically target homeowners and real estate agents in and around their local area. How does a title company make money? This is a very good question, and I'm going to go ahead and answer that for you. Title companies, what they do is that they collect fees for the work that they perform in both the sale, acquisition, as well as the transfer of homes and properties. These fees represent a percentage of a property's overall value, while title companies also may set standard fees for their services. How much can you charge customers? Title companies' fees usually fluctuate with modern economic prices as well as different marketing fluctuations within traditional society and overall uh, um, community. So, depending on the city in which they operate, it would affect how much they charge their customers. But typically, they charge around $300 for their services. How much profit can a title company make? Title company agents often average around 50,000 to 65,000 annually, with some companies capable of generating revenues in a six-figure range. So you might be wondering, how can you make your business more profitable? That is a very good question. Let's say you want to make your business more profitable. These are some of the things that you should do. You should provide additional services such as land, home, and building inspections. Others also enable clients to hire them to sort out deeds as well as ownership disputes. So these are also things that you can add in addition that will help you to become more profitable. So, what will you name your business? Business name and business title is extremely important. What it will do is that it will help to differentiate you from your competitors, and it will help to give customers an idea of what type of services that you are operating so they will be able to decipher whether your particular business is the right fit for their business needs. Let's say that you're operating a sole proprietorship. You might want to operate under a business name other than your own. You can also register and use uh, a DBA to run your business as well. So when you're registering your name, it is critical that you check your state business records, federal and state trademark records, social media platforms, as well for web domain availability. You want to make sure that you have a domain name that fits the specific needs of your business. As you're starting your own title company, it is imperative that you form a legal entity. The most common business structures types are sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company LLC, and corporation. Establishing a legal business entity such as an LLC or corporation protects you from being held personally liable if your title company is sued. You can form an LLC and pay only the minimal state LLC cost, or you can hire a professional to do it for you and pay an additional cost. Step number three, register for taxes. You will need to register for a variety of state and federal taxes before you can open up for business. In order to register for taxes, you will need to apply for an EIN. It's easy, it's free. Just visit your local IRS website and get your EIN number. Small business taxes. Depending on which business structure you choose, you might have different options for how your business will be taxed. Okay, let's say, for example, you have an LLC. You can benefit from being taxed as an S corporation. Business taxes in these guides include LLC taxes, sole proprietorship versus an LLC versus S corporation, etc. So basically, you can get an up-to-date specific state tax mandate that gives you specific requirements that are needed for your particular business that you are running. State sales taxes as well as franchise taxes cover the state sales taxes required within your particular state. Step number four, open a business bank account and a credit card. Using dedicated business banking and credit accounts is essential for business asset protection. When your personal and business accounts are mixed, your personal assets, your home, car, and other valuables are at risk in the event your business is sued. In business law, this is referred to as piercing your corporate veil. So this will give you an opportunity to get business credit cards. This will give you an opportunity to get better interest rates, higher lines of credit, as well as differentiating finances in your business's name. So you want to go ahead and open a business bank account, apply for business loans, and separate your personal assets from your company assets, which is necessary for personal asset protection. And it makes the process of accounting and filing taxes a little bit simpler. Get a business credit card and set up business accounting. You need to record, basically have an accurate record of all your expenses as well as um, as well as all the income that's coming in. So sources of income is important that you have accurate records and that you keep your records up to date, adjust as necessary. Record keeping is part of running a business and will help when it comes to filing your taxes later on, and also to verify information if it needs your clients call in using that verification for whatever reason. And you need to make sure that all your customers' information is updated and that you keep a record if you're filing taxes or anything like that. If they lose their copy, so they can be able to get in contact with you, you can be able to print and get that information right on over to them. Step number six, obtain necessary permits and licenses. Failure to acquire necessary permits and licenses can result in hefty fines or even cause your business to be shut down. State and local business licensing requirements. Your particular state should have specific permits and licenses that are needed to operate a title company. You can learn about these licensing requirements by visiting your state site, SBA licenses and permit requirements, and this can help you to decipher which specific permits you will need. Step 7 is to get business insurance. Just as with licenses and permits, your business needs insurance to operate safely and lawfully. Business insurance protects your company from financial well-being in the event of a covered loss. You will also need workers' compensation insurance, and that will help to protect and cover for your employees. Step number 8 is to define your brand. Defining your brand is important from separating your brand from the rest, and it's important for deciphering exactly what makes your business stand out from your competitors. You need to be able to define your brand so that customers know about your brand, trust your product, and are able to patronize you so that you can have a profitable business that's generating income. You can also use free QR code generators to be able to create a code for your business cards, publications, or help spread awareness for your new website. How to promote and market a title company. So anytime you want to promote and or market a title company, it is important that you get out there and attend. Advertising in real estate publications can provide an avenue for great notoriety. Being able to then attend general public networking events can help you to get clients and get your information and your business name out there. And also having a web page with a lot of information, and the more information you have, the better, so that you'll be able to decipher if your company will meet their specific needs. And basically making sure you do a good job so that you're able to retain your customers can help you to have a profitable business. You want to make sure that you're doing everything to help your customers to come back. Returning customers is the utmost importance to being profitable. So, and also if your customers, existing clients are happy, they will recommend other clients to you so that you can grow your business. You want to make sure your paperwork and operational skills are top notch with no mistakes. And then you want to remember to recognize your existing clients and to treat them as more than just a customer. Step number 9, create your business website. Make sure you have a unique website and a unique logo that basically indicates exactly what services you are providing. You should have your phone number as well as an email. Make sure you're consistently answering phone calls and returning emails. This is how you get business and retain your customers. Not being able to communicate effectively with your customers will definitely hurt yourselves and decrease your profits. Social media accounts like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, as well as YouTube and all these other social media websites can also help you as you're building your website to actually get your name out there and to help you to get and retain customers. So as you're starting your title company, it is imperative that you set up your business phone system. You should get a phone set up for your business. One of the best ways is to keep your personal life and business life separate and private. Also, you want to make sure that your business has more it's automated so that it's legitimate and it's easier for customers to find and locate you. So entrepreneurs have different ways of setting up business phone systems. You can get a separate line specifically for your business phone, or you can use different softwares that are available online. They have different pricing features and different eases of use that you can use. So that way you can separate your business from your personal phone line. Thank you for watching this video. These are all the steps necessary for you to go ahead and start your title business company today. What are you waiting for? You can get started today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask below. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.